go. Let me out. Let me out. Let my sandwich go. I knew I'd get down to it. I'm almost down to it. Oh God. I'm gonna do this without scissors. Determined. Maybe I've got a little handhold here. It's gonna flip out on the floor.
It's gonna fall.
This is kind of nice. I heard something break. It was my oh yeah. Oh baby. God.